Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll guide you through installing, activating, and using our HANDMADE Chrome extension to streamline your workflow. We'll go step by step from setup to connecting the extension, managing domains, and finally importing products directly from Etsy to your site. To get started, let's install the plugin. Begin by adding and activating it from your WordPress dashboard. Once activated, we'll walk through setting up the Chrome extension. On the Setup Wizard page, look for the green Install Chrome Extension button. Click it to proceed with the extension installation. If you didn't install and set up the extension right on Setup Wizard, you can still do that when you are back to the HANDMADE setting page. You'll see the same button under Import List or Setting menus. Once the extension is installed, the next step is to connect your domain S. Just click Connect Extension and confirm to link the extension with your plugin for the current domain. Another way, simply add your domain here in the extension and authorize it. Plus, you can import products to multiple domains at once. Just check the Enable box next to any domain you want active. Feel free to add as many domains as you need or remove any that you no longer want connected. It's all completely flexible and up to you. With everything connected, you can start importing products. Go to Etsy and choose to import products from their single product page or from Etsy category page. This lets you easily pull in product information straight from Etsy to your site. And that's it! You're all set to start importing products seamlessly across your connected domains with the extension. We hope this video makes things easier for you. Thanks for watching!